You know, all of these years, maybe I'm still doing it wrong, but every time I go out in my van with my clothes, I pick up another lead. Like yesterday at Smart and Final, and today at the gas station at 10. So maybe I'm doing it wrong. Comma. I've got Team Festini in the car. We're gonna go do some Target door knocking on the hottest leads. So that one right there just told me, I don't know when. She opens up the door as I'm walking up. She goes, I don't know when I'm selling. I don't want to sell yet, and I'm feeling harassed. I'm like, oh, God. A hard time drawing the line between I'm really trying and I'm really pushing. It's just difficult. This one right here. Okay, that one is not interested. I told that guy, this is like 1.2 million. I said, just give me a call if your agent doesn't work out. All right, that one was not on my list, but actually it turned out to be rather productive. So good on you. Okay, round two is about 4 o'clock. We got probably about another hour and a half. We're doing awesome. Getting some of these leads who never answer the phone or never respond to emails. This is what has to happen. You just have to spend the whole day Saturday targeting one at a time, and one of them has a slam package, but I'd have to go back in and see how many of them I'm actually connecting with. It's probably about 50% of them. Well, have you been monitoring to see how many have opened the door? I'd say half of them, huh? At least half of them. My sunburn is so on fire. Every time I step out and that sun hits my back, oh my God, so bad. What do we have left? 4 more? Okay. I could probably throw in 2 more on top. My last ones are way up here. Inside of Heart and Smile real quick to get some groceries. Nicole said beer, but we're nowhere near the beer yet. We've been in here 10 minutes already. The last house of the day. Pretty tired. I'd like to jump in the pool.